My job today is to remind you that even something as simple and literally beige as a paper bag is important, has a history, and multiple uses that we're lucky to have. She also designs the machine that's going to make it so that it's folding and pasting them automatically when it comes out. And she becomes the quote, didn't know this was a thing, the mother of the grocery bag. And she's also a huge deal. She was the most famous 19th century woman inventor. She had 26 other patents. This girl was on fire. I mean, a McDonald's paper bag, backpack, the famous Shia LaBeouf, I'm not famous anymore. And then you've got a puppet. And you can talk through the puppet. And as soon as you have the puppet in your hand, it's going to be hard to not talk through the puppet's mouth. Remember, you have to feel good to do good. Why is this my puppet voice? I don't know.